There's nothing worse than being sick in the summer. Getting bronchitis in the summer when it's absolutely beautiful out, and being laying sick in bed is not where you want to be. But that's okay. I got you. I have got a tincture. It's called Bronchitis Support. This has so many great herbs to address all the things that you experience when you get a chest, lung, flu illness. This contains herbs like mullein. That is a known lung support herb that helps get rid of that phlegm and mucus. It has marshmallow, which has been double extracted to get out that mucilage. Did you know marshmallow needs a double extraction to pull out those water-soluble and non-water-soluble polysaccharides? What about the cough? That dry cough. I've included elecampane in this. It helps with making a dry cough more productive. That cough, that uncontrollable cough. We've got wild cherry bark in here, and it is wonderful at helping a cough. We also have clove in this, lemongrass. Grindelia. Do you know Grindelia is still used in Russia and in their pharmacopoeia booklet as a asthma lung support herb? It was used here in the States for many years until mullein hit popularity. This contains Usnea, lobelia, natural antibiotics to help remove that. I've got sea moss in here. Sea moss removes mucus and phlegm from the body. So many good things in it that can help you recover from bronchitis, flu, lung infections so quickly. Think about it now, guys. It's going off the shelves quick. Stay healthy, friends.